Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to social class. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. In the last class, we had already learned about the duties of a teacher and a traffic police. Now, let us recall the lesson. What are the duties of a teacher? Teacher enlightens us with knowledge, values, and helps people to become good citizens. What are the duties of a traffic police? Traffic police controls the vehicles coming from all sides. Thus, he directs the vehicles and protects the pedestrians. What building is this? This is the court. We already learned about the duties of policeman. The policeman bring the people who disobey to the rules to this court. Who were present in the court? Lawyers and judge are present in the court. What will happen in the court? All the problems are solved as per the laws of our country. Who give justice to the people in the court? What is meant by justice? The fair treatment of people. Who gives justice to the people in the court? Judges help in giving justice to the people in the court. Judges treat all men with justice in various cases. They protect our rights. There is a court in each district. There are high courts also. Do you know about Supreme Court? Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. Supreme Court is the highest judicial court. What is meant by judicial? Connected with a court of law, a judge or judgment. Supreme Court is the highest judicial court. Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. What is meant by guardian? A person or institution that protects something. What is meant by Constitution? The basic laws or rules of a country. Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. Courts usually set a punishment for breaking the law. Common punishments include paying fine and spending time in prison. Prison means jail. Courts are important because they help to protect our rights. We had already learned about our friends such as firefighters, road workers, engineers, teachers, policemen, farmers, soldiers, traffic police, etc. They do different duties, but they work for us. So we must respect other people who are working for us. We feel proud of them. Children, what would you like to become? You like to become a doctor, engineer, or any other profession? You study well and seek a good job. At the same time, you would look after our garden and feed with care. Children, in this lesson, we had learned about our friends. Now, let us recap the full lesson. Our friends like teacher, doctor, engineer, police are working for us. Firefighters save people and properties from fire. A civil engineer gives structure to the building. The roads are laid by road workers. We are getting food from farmers. Soldiers protect our country. We should be proud of the people who served for us and also for our country. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. Judge is giving justice to the people in various cases. Sometimes angels are just ordinary people who help us believe in miracles again. The only people worthy to be in your life are the ones that help you through the hard times and laugh with you after the hard times pass. We must find time to stop and thank the people who make a difference in our lives. We will not forget the people who help us. Thank you, children.